My club originally would have been Kilkishen and East Clare Senior Club, and I would have been involved there. Not a great player, but was involved, obviously very, very supportive of the GA, and that would be my initial connection to it. Well, I got the opportunity to work here over 40 years ago. Father John O'Shea, who was the chaplain here at the time, introduced me. Very, very lucky, I suppose, over the years then to have connected with so many great students that came through here who became great players. Father John was here as a chaplain and he needed a couple of extra bodies to help out. And within a few years of I starting here, Father John was being transferred from to the Defence Forces as chaplain. And I was next in line, and I was asked to take over the GA club, and along with other people then, some of who are here with us today, some of the GA Council, Paddy O'Donnell, Mick Frayne and others. Funnily enough, in the early years here in the 70s, football was the main sport here. They had a very, very successful football team, winning the All-Ireland club in 77-78. A team that the current president of the GA was part and parcel of, Larry McCarthy, was part of that, and he was a big, big player here in that. Later on then we were competing in Division 3 hurling and football up to Division 2, and in the late 80s then we won the Division 2, which allowed us to get into Division 1, and at that time we were close to university status as well, so we were obviously trying to get into the Fitzgibbons and the Sickersons, the third level competitions at that time. We've 1,100 members in the club here today. We have 18 teams, and we have approximately a core group of about 100 people working behind the scenes, managing, selecting and coaching, etc. So it's a huge club, and without the full-time person it wouldn't be possible. We get freshers in here in first year. They're coming in from secondary, they're coming into this vast campus, and they have facilities that are second to none, and next thing they're playing freshers, and we're always trying to educate them about the importance of, first of all, you're here to get a degree, and if you can win a freshers medal or a Fitz, or you can play a Sickerson or whatever, it's a bonus. When I meet the students in years later and they're teaching, whether they're teaching in Castletry College here close by, or maybe St. Flannan's or out in Tipperary, and to see how they have progressed in their lives, you know, that's where the satisfaction comes from. As I said earlier on, started out very, very young, being involved with my own club in O'Callaghan's Mills in East Clare, and it's been like, you go to Mass of a Sunday, you go to GA matches, you know, it's a big, big part. It's daily part of my life. I suppose it will continue to be that because of how big it is. It's very, very attractive. And as is all sport, I love sport. I love going to rugby matches. I love attending as many matches as I can get to. And it's a great social side to it as well. I'm delighted to receive the award in the first instance, but as I said, it's a recognition of all of the students that have come in here and worn the jersey down the years since 1973, and it's also accepted on behalf of all the people that come in here to support us, whether it is managing, coaching, training, and the council members that are here in the backgrounds, and the volunteers that have come in here many, many years to support the GA Club and make it what it is today.